In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Bybit account. Getting verified unlocks higher limits and keeps your account secure. Plus, Bybit and most exchanges require it to comply with regulations. The whole process usually takes just a few minutes if your photos are clear and your details match. First, sign into your Bybit account on the website or in the mobile app, use a stable connection, and make sure you can receive security codes on your device. If you're on mobile, be sure to allow camera permissions when prompted. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. On desktop, it's usually at the top right, and in the app, it's on the main screen. Tap or click that icon to open your profile menu. From there, choose Account to open your dashboard. On the dashboard page, select Account Info. This is where all key security and personal settings live, including identity verification. In the identity verification section, select Verify Now. Bybit will guide you through a short flow. Start by choosing your country or region of residence. This determines which types of documents are accepted. Next, pick the document type you plan to submit. Common options include a passport, a government-issued ID card, or a driver's license. Make sure the document is valid, not expired, and matches the legal name on your account. A clear original color image works best. Avoid scans or screenshots if possible. Follow the prompts to upload the document images as requested. Keep reflections, glare, and fingers off the text and photo. Then you'll complete a quick live selfie check. You can do this with your computer's webcam or your phone's camera. Position your face in good, even lighting, remove hats or sunglasses, and hold still while the frame captures your face. If the system asks you to turn your head or blink, follow the on-screen cues. It's simply matching you to the document you provided. After you submit everything, Bybit begins the review. Most approvals happen within a few minutes, but more detailed checks can take up to 48 hours. You can keep an eye on the status right in Account Info, and you'll also receive a notification once it's done. If it takes longer, that usually means the team is double-checking image clarity or document details. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your profile, go to Account, then Account Info, start verification, choose your country and document, complete the selfie scan, and wait for approval. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Bybit verification.